I chose the Leeds Executive MBA program specifically because of the proximity to where I live. I really wanted to take advantage of the campus resources in person. The cohort structure was very appealing to me as well, where I could really get close with a group of individuals that are as motivated and excited about excelling their career and their leadership styles. The residency aspect of the EMBA program was one of the biggest pieces that made my decision very easy. I really enjoy the in-person connections and the ability to remove myself from my normal life and workplace to just be fully immersed here with the staff and with my fellow students. The quality of the faculty has been amazing. I'm very impressed with everyone that I have had the opportunity to meet thus far. I feel like they really are invested in you as an individual and in the program as a whole. So yesterday we had a leadership challenge outside, which was wonderful to be able to get some fresh air and move around and enjoy the beautiful place that we are, and to really dive into what our strengths are as leaders and what we feel like we could work on, but also give ourselves a little bit of room to really expand on our communication and relationships. One of the main reasons I joined the Executive MBA program was to bring back a lot of the knowledge that I gained to my current company. I currently am the COO of the company and feel like we could benefit from all of the resources that are accessible to me within this program. And beyond that, I would at some point very much like to own my own business. And I feel like this will very much empower me to go into that feeling very optimistic and ready to do that.